This would have made for a beautiful sunrise. Our lazy bones couldn't wake up the extra 30 minutes to see it. You can see all the clouds. Beautiful. There's Booty. I did wake up this morning and when I checked out how far we could go today, I started crying. Booty Shorts is, well, our friends Matt and Christina are gonna come pick us up on Friday evening, and I thought I had planned everything out perfectly, but then I found out that there's no dispersed camping really in New Jersey, so there's very limited spots you can spend the night, and that kind of ruined everything. I wanted to have a nice lake day today and we'll do like 14 miles and then do 14 miles tomorrow. But then I realized I did my math short by like 5 miles, so really we had 5 additional miles to do over 2 days. And we'd only do either 12 today or 19. And we had to do 19 because that's where they're picking us up at. And it was just a hot mess, so I started crying. But I think we're just gonna do some night hiking instead tonight. So we're gonna act like it's a normal day, take a big old rest, eat dinner, and then do a little bit of night hiking. We're still gonna leave by like 7:45. So that's pretty good for us. Getting closer and closer to Booty. Look how cute he is. There's Peach Tree here. Booty Shorts felt the peaches are hard as rocks. Not ready yet. Good morning, froggies. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. That's just in that little spot. I think there's more too. This is just a path. Oh, there's one right there. Good morning. He's kind of looking at you. Alright. There. This is Beaver Pond. It's like rock cliffs all over there. It's a big pond.
Very big, yeah.
This is Beaver Bog. It's all dried up now.
Might be wetter over there.
Be better if it were wetter. It's our little watering hole for the next few hours. Booty's about to get naked and get my pants off. Keep my shoes on or not keep my shoes on? Let's do it with off first. Ooh, not cold at all. No. See the minions? Okay.
What do you want to say to the world?
I'm wet. There's the water. There's a little path. Fortunately, there's no trees right next to the water. But they are over here. And we already set up our hammocks over yonder. Can you see them? Kind of see the orange thing? There's our little lunch set up. Just did a little quick dip. And we're gonna hang out in our hammocks, eat lunch for a little, and then do another dip, and then dry off. And we still have like 11 more miles to do today. We packed up at Crater Lake and started hiking, and 30 minutes later it started raining. Don't know if you could tell. So we made really good timing on that, so we didn't have to put anything away wet. And it's also raining in the high heat of the day. Well, typically for us, come here. Around 3:34. So that's nice, a little cool down and cloud coverage. I don't mind if it stays like this for the next hour or so. And then hopefully it just doesn't become too humid after. That's the worst. It's almost 8 p.m. and we're just coming to this place for food. Hopefully they're still serving food. If not, beer. Good morning. Back on the trail. We got our earliest start time in a long time. We started at 7 o'clock. So very proud of ourselves. But it's so beautiful this morning. So foresty. We are getting picked up at around 4:30 by Matt and Christina. So we wanted to make sure we got an early start, so like there's no chance that we're gonna be late for our meeting point. Only doing 14.3, so still getting a good day in. Oh, that tree is pretty. We have counted 38 of these orange salamander newts things this morning, and it's only been like 30 minutes. They're freaking everywhere. You know what else are everywhere? Mosquitoes. Last night was terrible. Horrible. I don't know what we're gonna do. These mosquitoes are so bad. It's definitely the worst thing on the trail. That one was 39. Booty sees 40 up there. Another day, another fire tower. Just saw our second bear. He was so close to me. He was like from me where Booty is to me. It was so exciting. Booty actually went by him, didn't see him, and then I was walking down and I heard this big scuffle, and I turned around and there's a big bear butt running off. Oh, he was so cute. He was so fluffy. And then this morning I saw a coyote. That was pretty cool. I haven't seen one of those before. Booty didn't get to see it though. Tragedy. That's what he gets for being too fast. Being faster than I am. Also, we're in like 90 something salamanders, so I'll let you know when we get to 100. There's this random pavilion. Top of this mountain peak. It's got a nice breeze in it. Kept us from the sun. We had a little snack in here. Snack attack. This, my friends, is number 100. Started raining. Mid-afternoon rain shower. So little guys came back out. 101. Oh, Booty just found 101. Right there. Nice. We are now at 167. There was just like 20 over here.
There's one there, one there, one there.
I know they're every. Oh yeah, one under there. Everywhere.
Couple of them over there.
All right, everybody. I know you're really excited to hear, but this guy is number 200 today. Oh my goodness. We also saw 3 deer, but we see so many of those, I just stopped taking video of them. But New Jersey's full of wildlife. Who'd have thunk it?
Wait, this is really confusing. Justin, please.
You guys grab
come
from
on.
that side.
Oh my god, you're the worst person I've ever met.
Right. Usually, like, expect everything to get
I mean, I guess if it's...
Like Margie was a great podcast. She took the kids to greet the church all the time. It's gonna be fun. And when I'm brisket.
Brisket for the biscuit?
Brisket for the
It
biscuit.
can't be bad.
Oh, but this key light's real.
Dude, you guys got all the flavors.
Yeah.
I haven't had steak in so long. It's so good.
Yeah.
Our bi-monthly chores. Spraying this stuff to protect against ticks, ticklets. This is so good. Peanut butter milkshake. So we got dropped off by Matt and Christina and the baby. I hiked about a mile, maybe a little less, to this observation deck. We had a wonderful weekend. Pretty relaxing. Saw some friends we hadn't seen in a while. Got to meet their new Bambino. Oh, that looks really cool. Oh, that's High Point right there, I guess. Clouds look really cool. Oh, I guess you can't really see. There's water down there. You can go swimming in. A little bit better view of High Point Tower, monument thing.